I will talk about how can you find your referral link on your Okta app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then it's going to show for you here your referral links here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you invite your friends with this link here or with your link here to earn on your Okta app. So that's all you have to do to find your link here or referral link. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.